With us we have Mr. Kale from Aris Textiles Limited. He is the head of operations in this company and has been using ESDS services since a pretty good time. We're here to learn about his experience about ESDS. So Mr. Kale, how did you come to know about ESDS?
One of your sales representative had come, Mr. Atul Mundada, and he convinced me how Arrow can benefit from ESDS services. So I thought, let us try it here.
So how was your initial experience with ESDS?
Initial experience, he said, if you cannot afford to take a server which is very costly, might as well go for a server which will give you a fantastic service. And I thought it could be a benefit for Arrow Textiles, definitely yes. And it was fantastic, no doubt about it. And I got really convinced. He was the first man with whom I got so impressed that I took a decision of shifting our servers to ESDS.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how long has it been that you're using ESDS services?
About a couple of years.
Okay. I guess you started in 2010.
I think, yeah, 2010. Yeah.
Okay. So, have you used any other hosting provider before ESDS?
Yes, we have used. Yes.
Okay. So what was the issue with that? How did you switch to ESDS?
As far as emails were concerned, we used to get a lot of, sometimes the servers used to get crashed and all, and we were not quite happy with it, to be very honest. And we thought it's the right time to shift now.
So how has ESDS improved your line of business?
Basically, the server never got crashed. That is the one thing which I clearly remember. And customers do not complain now that our server, your website is not at all there now, or we are not able to log into your website. So that is the very big advantage.
Okay, so that means the concerns were resolved then.
Absolutely.
Your initial concerns were resolved.
That was a very big thing.
Are there any improvements or suggestions that you would like ESDS to implement?
Not that I don't remember as such. I'm not a technical person, but I can't think of anything just now.
So you're pretty happy with the services
absolutely,
as of
absolutely.
now?
I'm very happy.
Okay. Would you recommend ESDS to any of your friends?
I would definitely recommend. I would definitely recommend because it's a fact that the one thing which Arrow or any other company who is not expert at the thing which he should be expert in his own business activities. While ESDS is expert in his own technical things, whatever hosting and everything. So it is better that to give it to the experts, and I would definitely recommend it.
Okay.
Certainly.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kale. We heard from Mr. Kale that he is really happy with the services that ESDS has provided. So we thank you really for coming and sharing your thoughts with us. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay.